So, hi everyone, this is the day 2 of my English speaking journey, and right now it's around 6 p.m. and I'm in a park. There are many people here. Some people are walking, some people are doing exercise, and some people are just sitting and talking. And I feel little nervous. I feel little nervous recording here, but I still started. I want to tell you one small thing that just happened right now. So while I was recording here and speaking to the camera, one auntie was coming towards me. She was walking slowly. For 1 second, my heartbeat became fast. I thought she will stop and ask me something like. I what if she asked why I'm talking alone? But she just looked at me, smiled little, and continued walking. And I felt relaxed that time. These small moments make me feel awkward but also confident because nothing really bad happens. And I want to tell you something clearly. I'm not fluent in English. You can see that I stop many times. I think a lot. Uh, I think a lot before speaking. I make mistakes, and I'm not cutting my mistakes. This video is raw. Sometimes when I make a mistake, my mind says stop recording, start again. But today I didn't stop. I continue, and right now also I thinking what to say next. I'm looking around and describe what I see. So there are many trees in front of me. I don't know i don't know all tree names in English, but that's okay. I will learn slowly. Here some people are doing stretching. One uncle is doing jogging very fastly. Two people are talk loudly. Evening feels active. Actually, I started this English series on 1st January. From that day I decided to speak English, not perfectly, just daily at the same time. And I'm also shooting short videos for vocabulary. Later I edit those videos, become I'm video edit because I'm video editor. So my day includes shooting, speaking, editing, and posting. Sometimes people I know see me recording. What they say, what are you doing bro? I just laugh. Sometimes they are joking, sometimes they are confused. It's fine, honestly. Handling so many things feels tiring sometimes. Waking up early and then coming here, thinking in English, editing later. Sometimes my energy feels low, but still I come here right now. Even speaking like this for few minutes is a big thing for me. Yesterday it was harder. Today it feels slightly easier. Not fluent, but better. And I'm also clear one thing: I'm not here to teach you only. I'm not here to act confident. I'm here to practice in public. If I can speak here slowly, I can speak anywhere. So yes, this is the day 2. Then evening park, people around, anti movement, and mistakes includes no cuts, no acting, just me trying. And I will come again with day 3. Till then, thank you so much. And so thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.